Okay, we're going to do a short video here today. People have asked about our water leak problem after we painted the windows and sealed them, and we had the water still leaking around them, and we determined that it was the rubber gaskets at the very edges of the windows that had dry rotted. Well, it turns out on a 30-year-old bus, that welting to put the glass back in is just not something we're going to be able to get easy, or if we can get it at all. So we've decided to go with a product. It's called Dynaflex, and this is a elastometric product that is very flexible. This is clear. We also have it in black to do around the new deletes that we put in on the last video. But we're just simply going to put it around the three edges of the window that are subject to the water, and that should take care of it. If you watched our last video, we took every window out of this side of the bus again and put a wider butyl tape in. The thin butyl tape, we don't know, that may be suspect too, but we do know we have intrusion along those seals. We actually saw it. So this is just a quick video. We're going to do some caulking around the windows and around that, and get ready for the tropical storm. We'll get to test this theory because we'll have a tropical storm coming up from Florida. Don't know how strong it'll still be Wednesday night into Thursday morning. So we're going to have a lot of rain, and we're going to find out if we have a leak anywhere when it's over with. So let's get to work. All right, let's see how well we can do with this. Yeah, there's a lot of indent. The water can stand in there, particularly in that bottom edge. I might be the world's worst caulker though. Dry clear. Okay, that's my shot at it. Now it's Tracy's turn.
Because I've got fingernails and this is not going to work too well.
Tracy had another excellent idea that we kind of didn't have in any of the film, but we'll go over it here. We painted the outside of the windows on the bus a flat black, as you know. Inside, she's going to do a lot of white because she wants to open the space up as we start this build. So she had me do all of the windows in a gloss white. You'll see here that it turned out really nice. It's smooth. I taped the latches so these little places you see where it's sticking is me, because Tracy's a perfectionist and I'm like more of a bull in a china shop at times. But I'm a heck of a carpenter, an electrician, and plumber. I can build houses from the ground up. The bus is a challenge, and we'll let her do all the finish work that she wants to be perfect on, or she'll make me take a scraper and go back and fix it. So you just have to understand our relationship. We've been together 34 years married, 37 total years we've been running around on this planet together. Yep. And I learned the two words that can make her quiet and put her in her place. And those are yes, ma'am. And when I say those, she leaves me alone. So
Sure I do.
we're going to go on. We're going to straighten the bus up a little bit. We had to turn the fan off in order to shoot this little piece of video. And it is like North Carolina hot and humid in this bus. So goodbye. So yesterday we got all of the caulking put in the windows. It's now Monday evening. We just wiped out a busy day at our regular job at the auto dealership. We both worked there. So we're going to water test all of this and make sure the silicone caulk took care of the problem that we had before. So let me grab the hose and I'll start pressure testing them and Tracy could go inside and look for leaks, and if she says there's any leaks, I'm going to scream and run off with my hair on fire and never ever come back. I'm going to be like, we're no longer in the bus life, we're in the van life. Not really. I'm already too invested in this bus.
We got water. Oh yeah, big time water. See this? Water settling. Coming on the glass. No water. No water. That one's leaking big time. Keep them just over right there. This whole windowsill's wet now.
Okay, so we isolated the two windows. The one, we just didn't get the silicone in the track good, we think. And the other window that's leaking, this one, is actually coming from where the strip is on the outside. So we'll put a little silicone, we'll let it sit tonight and dry good, because it'll be 90 degrees down here in North Carolina again tomorrow.
Yeah.
And it'll dry. And we'll come out and re-silicone those, and I think we solved all of our water problems that we had with the bus. We've got a little bit on the floor. A sustained rain like a tropical storm that's coming Thursday would cause problems with it.
Yeah.
But at least we've isolated it. So if you've got windows that you've put in and they're leaking when it rains, look at that gasket material like we talked about yesterday as being a culprit. Because our windows were seated in good, they were sealed good, but we were still getting water coming around the bottoms of the windows. So keep that in mind as a culprit. Okay, so the tropical storm went by.
Yes, it went by.
We had a lot of rain. It rained and rained until it just pooled everywhere. The wind wasn't too bad because it was inland from us, but the key was, did the windows hold?
Yes.
Where we re-caulked everything again after the last section early in this video, it held up to the tropical storm without a single drop coming in anywhere. Now the wind did blow hard enough that it sucked our emergency hatch off the top of the bus and threw it over in the yard. But we're going to take that out, and something we got in the mail is going to replace that, so that's coming up on another video. We did find the leak where?
Around the seals on both of the back doors.
Yep, the old seals leaked just a little bit under that heavy rain, and a little bit ran out, which is why we've kind of held off doing a lot to the inside of the bus. Is we want to track down every single drip or leak. And the windows are good. They the silicone that we used sealed those. Not one single drop came off those. So that's really it. Just remember, we need you to
Subscribe to our channel. We need subscribers.
Yep, go ahead and subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, and help us grow the channel. So that's it. Tracy, take us out of here.
We're out of here.
Feelings part our ways, keeping us close. Dreams holding us closer. Meadows of our youth, 107.